Corner unit, standard king. Look at the windows that you get, these views. Oh, I just loved eating my cookies last night with these views. Ooh, we're on the 22nd floor actually. I'm going to the pool and the gym, which is actually pretty decent. What is going on? We're doing my full quick walkthrough of the InterContinental here in Guadalajara, an IHG hotel. I am not getting paid for this. This is just what I do for fun to try to grow my channel. Check it out. All right. So yeah, it's pretty freaking nice. They have some stores and stuff on the bottom right when you walk in. We'll go up to reception in a second. They do have a spa. I did look at the prices. Y'all know me and my spas. They are traditional, a little bit more expensive than if you left, but still, relatively speaking, cheaper than US terms. When I talk money and comparisons, it's always going to be compared to the US, just for reference. So going up, boop, boop, boop. Super nice. This is a 4-star hotel, and if you just watched one of my other videos in Colombia where I kind of had a bad review, I guess, of a 5-star in Colombia, this is a traditional, what you would expect from a 4-star hotel. Just before I forget, if you're getting Ubers and stuff like that, there's a little sitting area over here I've taken advantage of. But yeah, it's real nice. The lobby is just what you would expect, you know, very nice. Right here we have a bar and tequila tasting room, which is obviously closed because it is the morning time. Just got done working out. There are a couple of restaurants in here. We got the Urban Restaurant. There's one more restaurant, I think a Italian bistro right here, that is closed. All right. Now, depending on what you get when it comes to what package and stuff like that, they do have a private lounge that with some packages you are able to get, and it's 24/7, I think. No, 18 hours, like 6 to 11. Real nice, lots of food, snacks and stuff. And also different types of IHG levels will get you access to that. So that's downstairs. Again, this is the quickest walkthrough ever because nobody needs to spend 15 minutes checking out hotels. But I want you to see what you're getting when you get this hotel. So I never remember to do room tours before I destroy them, so bear with me, but this is the craziest, nicest view. Oh, you probably want to see it, right? Check this out. This is a corner unit, standard king. Look at the windows that you get, these views. Oh, I just loved eating my cookies last night with these views. The whole city, all the way, corner unit. Ah, it's great. Bed, nice and comfortable, really big. It's got you little, your standard stuff, desk, everything. I do like lots of room. All right, lots of room. You know, pose. Bathroom, again, I destroyed it. The bathroom is a little tight, I would say. If you have 2 people, you know, it's gonna be a little tight, but nonetheless. And we got the robe, and we got some slippers in here, son. Actually, this turns on. There we go. We got the safe light. Anything, everything, whatever. I can't speak today. I'm going to the pool and the gym, which is actually pretty decent. But while I'm walking there, let me tell you about money, points, and all this kind of stuff. If you follow my other videos, I'm usually a points dude. Like, I get everything for free for points. This time, I actually paid cash for this. And I'll tell you why. It was only like $350 for 3 nights, which is really pretty good deal. I also am IHG, like Elite or something. So I had a couple little perks, nothing crazy. But the reason why I went with cash is A, it was already cheap. I didn't want to burn through points. I don't like burning through points on cheap hotels. Cheap monetarily wise, because this is a nice hotel. But I booked through Rocket Miles. And Rocket Miles will give you bonus miles on other programs. I needed like 5,000 extra miles for Southwest to get my companion pass for the next year. All right. check out that video. Companion Pass is awesome. Anyway, so by booking through them, I got the extra 5,000 miles. So I paid the cash. And yeah, but normally I do points. So anyway, let's go outside and check it out. There are some kids out here. I was working out earlier, but you know, so yeah, the pool, super nice. It is heated, so you can see somewhere it says like 86 degrees. Yep, right there. So it's a heated pool, nice overlooking. I came out here last night. It was real nice. They have towels and everything, but again, it's early in the morning. And then the gym, basic gym, but you can get a good workout in. People that say they can't get good workouts in say, well, they just don't know how to work out. So when it comes to location of this hotel, it's in a little bit more of a suburbia kind. It's still in Guadalajara, but it's about 20 minutes south of the Centro area, which is like the cathedral and everything like that. I like it down here. It's a little bit more quiet. If you want to, I walked the other night, I felt safe. It's like a neighborhood and stuff. And it's good because depending on where you're going around town, it's a little bit easier to commute because of the traffic. If you're in the Centro area, the traffic is just really bad. You're going to be having trouble getting in and out. By the way, Ubers are really cheap here. All right, so how do I rate whether I think this is good or not? Like, what's my scale? Cost, I think this is a great value. Cost or points, okay? So that's a plus. Just the way it looks, the service, everything like that, it's been top notch, okay? I had no problems with my check-in, with anything, no issues with AC, nothing like that. All right, if I had to have one little complaint, the hot water does take a little bit longer to get heated up. But overall, I think this is a great deal. Look, I hope that this shows you about this hotel. I do think this is a pretty good deal. There is a Holiday Inn Express right like a block away. I did walk by and it was really nice too. So if you don't have, if you have Holiday Inn Express points and stuff you want to use, that was a pretty good value as well. And it's a nice little area. And so yeah, hit that subscribe button if you like this. I do a lot of walkthrough tours of stuff. I also want you to check out the train tour that I did yesterday, the tequila train. It was one of the best experiences I think I've had. Definitely well worth the money. And I hope this helps you, and I will catch you on the next one. This is the bar. This is the diamond car. It's pretty nice. Check it out.